Hello guys, welcome back to Code and Test. Today we are going to see a very interesting topic about one of the AI tool. So today we are going to talk about Krea AI tool. So just go to Google and just type Krea AI. Let's see what is Krea AI. So Krea is something like an image generation AI tool. So here, maybe most of the people know it's a image generation tool, but I want to tell you one real-time image generation capability of Krea over here. So we have one option called here. There are multiple new features came over here, but the thing is, I'm going to talk about the real-time, the image generation tool. So go over here. You can type whatever the prompt again prompt over here, then automatically the image start generating here. So maybe we can try it over demo here. So what can we type today? So maybe something related to some dance challenge or something like that. So maybe put fun, energetic girl. So energetic, yeah, something is generating over here. So girl, yeah, some energetic girl in colorful street, street. Aha, generating the image. Yeah, street here. doing doing a trendy dance move. Ah, in the middle of a this city walk. Ah, people joining in. Ah, people. It's like a kind of yeah, one energetic girl in colorful street. We are doing a trendy dance move in the middle of busy sitting crosswalk. People joining in. Or we can write. Maybe we can put some camera angles as well over here. Mm, joining in with the wide angle dynamic shot, maybe vibrant and joyful, something like wow. So we have some AI thing. So the face things are not coming properly, but if you see the different variety of images, so it is getting generating properly. So I think this kind of to AI enablement of Krea, which will really help to design and to create something like a realistic movie scenes and all. It's very useful. So mind blowing it is actually, right? Maybe we'll try something else as well. Something we'll try it out. Um, maybe Donald Trump. This Trump, man. Trump. Trump being just wow. Wow. Against against who? Maybe Prime Minister of India? Modi. Wow. Modi against playing chess against Modi. Narendra Modi. Maybe we can see another one of the variant here. Oh, Narendra Modi playing chess against Narendra Modi. Yes, this image looks good, right? So I think yeah, maybe face is bit we need to change. Maybe we can use this face swap, but it's really amazing, right? The mind blowing. Whatever the prompt you're going to type it over here, the image is getting generated real time. So this is awesome. So people, so what you can do is like you can log into this Krea AI and you can play around with this stuff. So one thing which I need to tell over here is if you see, it is like a real time when the prompt is putting over here, the prompt it is generating the image over here directly. So if you can see that there is some daily limits over there. So one is one hack over there is like each time when you do over there, right? Don't generate the image and just download it, all those things. So you can directly move to another tab, go over here, put it again, Krea AI. So Krea AI, so you can see the limit is starting from the first, maybe again 0%. So this free version is good enough to play around stuffs. Okay, so this is mind blowing. Maybe something else we can check. A girl washing clothes. Very nice, huh? Near lake, something like that. Near lake. Wow. Maybe in Brazil. What is this, huh? Brazil. Wow. Maybe in Kerala. That is amazing, man. Whatever the prompt which you're typing, it is getting generated in real time. Maybe something else, eh? A boy playing in Mars. Whoa, mind blowing, man. Mind blowing. Oh, I think the image generation is going into next level. Guys, you can play around. I am not putting prompt much more. So whoever you want to try out your prompt and yeah, whatever you are seeing in your dreams, right? So might be you last night you might be seeing some dreams which you are not able to recollect. Put all the things, put all the things over here, and you can see what you have seen in your dream in a realistic image. Yeah. Hope this video helps you and you will learn something new over here. Thank you guys. Bye bye.